Okay, in this video I'm going to show you a little magic trick here. There's the iPhone and DJI Osmo Mobile. Okay, open up the Mimo app. And you turn on the camera. Now the star of the show is this magic cable. On this side of the cable, we have a standard lightning connection. That goes in the bottom of your iPhone now. There's nothing special about this iPhone. It's just got a wireless charging case on it. That's why I have that port free. This side, USB-C. The USB-C you'll take and you will plug into the bottom of the DJI Osmo Pocket. There you go. Phone and the Osmo Pocket are now connected together. Now you have the iPhone being used as a monitor for the DJI Osmo Pocket. Best part about it is you can access all your photos and your videos on your camera without having it to be jammed into the side of your phone. This video is playing right through the cable, so this has not been downloaded to the phone yet. Now there you go. You can also do your manual controls and your pro functions all from the camera being connected through the cable. I'll go ahead and have a link. I'll have a link below for the cable. If you wouldn't mind, like and subscribe. Thanks.